Welcome to SAP Ignite. This is Ajay, and today we'll have a look on layer-aware debugging. Typically, when you debug, you come across a lot of system-generated codes, framework-related codes, screen control-related codes, which are not usually relevant, and it kills a lot of time. Now, for example, if you're debugging a web intro application, you come across a lot of web intro framework code, and have to run through all these, skip through all these codes before you land up to your specific relevant piece of code. Now, layer-aware debugging would help you to create a layer of your relevant piece of code and debug only that layer and by skipping all other irrelevant codes. And you can actually take big jumps from layer to layer. Now, this is available from SAP NetWeaver 7 Enhancement Pack 2 onwards. There are a couple of buttons which are actually relevant, which you might have seen while debugging. And now we'll have a quick demo on this. Now, this is one of the programs which actually does a release of forecast from demand planning to supply planning. And my requirement here is to find out all the custom enhancements which has been done for this standard piece of application. Now, if you know the baddies or the implicit enhancements which has been made for this, you can directly go there and put a breakpoint and execute this. However, this tool becomes a little handy when you don't know the enhancement which has been done and you are in a discovery mode. So to quickly debug this, I'll put a /h and then execute this. So what happens is I get this button called configure debugger layer. When I click on this and select the layer aware debugging actor, and I see options here. So I can use a profile if I have created one using SLAD, or I can directly put in my requirement here. So my requirement is to debug the custom enhancement. So what I'll do is I'll put a Z star here. You can actually put class, programs, or implemented interface names, and you can select where do you want to stop. Do you want to stop at the entry or at the exit? You can select this. So currently I want to stop at the entry of any of the custom developments which has been done or enhancements which has been done for this particular application, and I click this, enter. Now, the moment I do that, I see a deactivate layer aware debugging button. And you can see this is a conversion exit and this is not relevant for me. So what I'll do is and there are a lot of standard piece of code as well. So what I'll do is I click on the next object set and it takes me, here we go. It takes me to the enhancement which has been done for this. And you can use, the typical buttons, F5, F6 to debug this, or if you want to move to the next object set, you can click on this. So it will take you to the next object set as well. This is pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Keep following SAP Ignite. Be a proud Ignitian. Bye-bye.